Hey YouTube, it's Sean. Oh, wait a minute. Hey YouTube, it's Sean. Hey, we're working on a little tiller, one of these little portable two-cycle ones, and let's take a look with the bore scope, because the compression doesn't seem right. Let's take a peek. Alright, to school you on what we're working on, it's a little Bilt. Oh no, Toro. It's a Toro something something. Anyway, it's this little tiller. It's a cultivator tiller, and it has been started. It's got very low compression, and it's the one with the little flippy. I'm not fond of these. This setup that they've come up with. It runs off the bail up there. It's not good. They say it's user friendly, but it isn't. And it all depends on if this cable sticks right here or not. It ain't good. Anyway, it's got low compression. We're using this little bore scope that I modified. I'm going to show you that in a minute. But that's the model number of it. And it's one of those depths tech. Yeah. Doesn't work great. I need a new one. So if anybody out there wants to sponsor a bore scope, it would be great, because I can't afford all the stuff I need. I modified this one to work because the battery was bad. I'll show you that in a minute. But this is what we found inside that cylinder. I left it set up, and there's the conclusive results. I mean, if they could get you in here where you can see something, maybe. Uh-oh. Hang on a second. Clean the lens a little bit. No, it's still saying yellow. Anyway. Right. Well, hang on. A little bit of light. Zoom back out. Yeah. You can see all the lines in there. In the cylinder. Those black on the screen. Let's see if I can adjust the light in the bore scope a little bit. Just a little bit. But you can see it. I can see it. I don't know if you can see it, but you know, we're getting some bad reflections. Not sure what that is. Anyway. Yeah, you can see that cylinder is bad. I'm moving the bore scope now. It's at the bottom of its stroke, the throw. You can see all the lines in the cylinder. See all that? That's hard. That's hash. I knew it had low compression, and I thought, no, there's no sense tearing the cylinder and all, you know. No sense messing with things that you don't have to, and now we know what's going on. So I don't know what that yellow on the screen is, guys. Anyway, that's what we got down in that hole. So unfortunately, she's toast. At least the engine is. Now, fortunately though, I do believe this is just a regular weed eater engine, and I'm going to see if I can try to find something to... I'll take the engine end off and see if I can just pull the whole power head off, and maybe, just maybe, we can make something happen. I'm just using an old cell phone here with this. That bore scope works, but I'm just using an old LG phone, or no, I don't even know what this thing is. Anyway, it's just an old phone. Go ahead and shut that off for me, please. Alright, and I need one of these, so if any of the small engine folks out there, let me shut this light off, small engine companies, or Depths Tech wants to sponsor a new one, I will definitely do a review on it, because I really need one for a couple more lawnmowers that I got. But anyway, I modified this one. The battery was dead, and I put a rechargeable 18650 on there with a hair tie to hold it, make sure it doesn't fall out. And she works, and she's rechargeable, and everything functions as it did new, but it's old and it's crusty, but it works. But I need a new one, or a newer one at least. That one worked this time. Sometimes it doesn't. Alright, so that's what we got. And it's a Bilt. This is what it is right here. It's a Bilt 2-stroke, 2-cycle TB225. Alright? And I don't know who made the motor or engine. The engine, I don't know. It probably says Bilt on it somewhere, but it's not Bilt. Most likely did not build it. So that's what we got. And yep, somebody bought it and didn't mix the fuel, burned it up, and that was it. I mean, look, the tiller blades are not even dirty. It's like they never even got there with it. I bet you they didn't. I bet it didn't run long enough for them to get actually in the dirt with it. It's like brand new. Yep. You got to mix the oil with the fuel, and I think that's what happened. They didn't. Anyway, so that's a trash. We'll see if we can swap the power head out somehow. Maybe. Not sure. We're going to take it apart and see. Alright, thank you for watching, guys. Love y'all. Take care of yourselves. Thumbs up. Go up there, or go down there. Give me a thumbs up. Love y'all. Small engine repair. Got a lot of it to do. And we got a giveaway to do. Got some gear wrenches to give to y'all. We'll get there. Promise. Love y'all. Bye-bye.